Baby, sometimes I sit and watch you move, like heaven walking to the room. Brown eyes shining soft and deep, like God sent stars down just for me. I loved you before I knew your name, before my heart could explain the flame. Now every breath I take feels new, like my soul was waiting just for you. When I don't know how you do it, but you make a grown man fall apart. One look from you and I lose it. You put a melody back in my heart. You love me back to life when the world gets cold at night. You touch my soul, you make it right. You love me back to life. You love me back to life. Like a prayer turned into light, with your hand holding mine. Like a prayer turned into the light, with your hand holding mine. Melanie, you love me back to life. When I look into your lovely brown eyes, I see stars exploding in the sky. The whole Milky Way catches fire, and my heart keeps climbing higher. Can't you see, baby, what you do? I lose all self-control with you. You're more than beauty, more than dreams. You're God's sweet mercy sent to me, and I still get weak when you're near me. Like the first time all over again. Girl, your love don't just complete me, it keeps healing places deep within. You love me back to life. The world gets cold and you touch my soul, you make it right. Love me back to life. You love me back to life. You love me back to life. Like a prayer turned into light, with your hand holding mine. Oh, love me back to life. With your hand holding mine, holding mine, Melanie. If diamonds fall and pearls turn gray, I still choose you every day. No crown, no gold, no shining thing could match the joy your love brings. God knows how dearly I love this woman. She's my blessing, my best friend. And if I had one song forever, I'd sing her name until the end. You love me back to life. My morning sun, my midnight light. You saved a heart that almost died. No more, no. Back to life. With your grace, your smile, your light. Forever yours, forever mine. Yours forever. Oh, one girl. Can't you see? You don't just love me, you love me back to life.